You know what these homies call me in the streets? They call me pendejo. Pendejo. I don't know what that shit means, but it sounds gangster. Huh? Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah, I am dressed and ready to go out, but I'm in such a panic mode because, guys, I'm sorry if my hair looks like a mess or like a semi-mess. This is what I'm going to have to deal with today. So as I was saying, I'm dressed and ready to head out. I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing in a bit, but I'm in a panic mode because, first of all, cab fares are so high. Second of all, I'm going to somewhere that's far and there's already traffic, but I'm going for a boat cruise with a friend of mine. And I just thought to carry you guys along, you know, record memories and all that. But I think I want to switch to my phone. I don't want to have to carry a camera or my camera along. I'm still debating whether to carry my camera or not. The advantage of carrying my camera is I can be able to use my phone for other things and I don't have to worry about my phone dying. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm still debating whether to carry my phone or not. I'm not gonna lie. But let me try to show you guys what I'm wearing. I have a black kimono. I'm sure you guys know I'm a basic bitch in some ways. So I have a black kimono and this short jeans, and I have like a bikini inside of it. Then of course I have like a bikini bra on. I'm not usually one to wear something like this, but I just thought, let me actually try it out. I've never tried it out, so I should not kill it before trying it. But I think I actually look so good, guys. I look fire. I look like a goddess of some sort. And then I have this Zara slippers on. Please don't ask me if it's original Zara, okay? Because even me, I don't know.
Hey, hey, ooh. Peppermint Patty trying to bounce up on my candy cane. We get it in, we make some candy rain. Chocolate thunder, me drop it down at Junior up a tropic thunder while he yelling out. Shut up. Yo, Santa hit me up asking who the fuck the plug was. Hey yo, I told him he could check my list. I need a pack of do-si-dos and the white runs mix. On the counter like 4, 5, 6. And then he asked me where the hoes at. I told him somewhere out in California.
I don't like water. I don't. Yeah, but like when I was feeling the water. I don't like water. We put to see your face.
Now me and Santa cruising out in Santa Monica, bumping Silent Night, you know that Mahalia. It's the night before Hanukkah, and we linked up with some girls who trying to swallow us. Got their ass coughing, Brian.
She fights the falling story. If ever you are in doubt, that skin just like girls. Your back against the world. I never trust before anybody. That skin just like girls. The best thing in the world. I never trust before. Original,
What the fuck the Zaza was? What's Zaza? What's Zaza? What's Zaza? Well, what's Zaza? Peculiar just to be peculiar. It's exotic mistletoe. Hey.
morning. So it's currently, today is Monday, I think. Yeah. And of course the beach party was so much fun. We actually ended up also going out at night. I think I inserted a few clips, you know, just before now, because I didn't carry my camera, so I wasn't vlogging so much. I really just wanted to enjoy the moment, enjoy the depths of December. Okay, so today's Monday. I have errands to run, going to the bank. I'm having issues with my account, so I have to quickly head out, or else my baby's gonna get a Christmas gift. I need to get some work done, and if you guys notice, I've been going to my friend's house, you know, Yetunde's house for a while now, because, you know, our house is a bit more formal, so I need to go to a formal workspace. I may be going to a workspace, actually get the rest of the work that I need to get done. Maybe some editing, maybe some planning. I've not quite put everything in order yet, but anyways, I'm headed to the bank now. So this is what I'm wearing. I look so good in this black silk top and my orange and black pants. I have my black bag and I have my black slippers. Anywho, guys, let's just head out together. I'm sure you guys can tell that my lips are dry, very dry. Hamatan is kicking it with me, okay? Even though I'm using my lip balm like every second, Hamatan is still kicking it with me.
It's exotic mistletoe, it's exotic mistletoe, right, I say, peculiar just to be peculiar, it's exotic mistletoe, you know we smoke the finest dough, you know we smoke the donuts, hey, we smoke the finest, yeah, that's probably it.
Hi guys, so it's currently, I feel like my face is dry, it's currently a few minutes to 3 p.m. and I just got back home from the bank. I'm still wearing my sunshades because I'm heading back out. I just want to carry my laptop bag and head to I think Cafe 1. Yeah, I want to go and see what their workspace is like, see if I can work there, you know, and really get everything that I need to get done today. Yeah, so I'll actually be carrying you guys along with me on my camera, because I mean, whoa guys, I just had another scare. Okay, it wasn't gonna fall, but like it scared me. Okay, so there's no reason not to carry my camera, is what I was trying to say. I, however, need to reapply my SPF.
Holidays are coming round now. Winter is here, my favorite time of the year. I could get close to my dear, my baby. I could feel the breeze.
Hi guys, so it's currently 7:39 and I'm still here working. All my things are scattered here, literally. So I decided to actually see a movie. Let me turn you guys over. So I decided to. I hope you guys can hear me, Sha. My voice is gone. I have no idea why. But I decided to also see a movie. So I'm going to be seeing Spider-Man, I think The Homecoming or something. I can't remember the title. I'm sure I'm going to be seeing a movie, you know, once I leave here. And then I'll head back to the house. I'm not tired. I'm just, I'm okay, Sha.
I could see me and you cuddled up underneath the mistletoe. Anything that you want, just let me know and we can go high as the moon, high as the skies above. I swear it won't take long for you to come around and fall in love.
When Mysterio revealed my identity, my entire life got screwed up, and I was wondering, I mean, I don't really know if this would actually work, but I was wondering...
To resurrect countless lives, you want to do it again now just because yours got messy?
It's not about me. I mean, this is really hurting a lot of people.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
Hi guys, good morning. Today's Tuesday and today was supposed to be shoot day for me, but I didn't go on set. Let me talk to you guys about it real quick, right? I chose to not go on set because I needed to set some boundaries, you know, in the work relationship I have with, you know, the actual owners of the show I'm currently producing. So nah, I had to set those boundaries because I don't know if you guys watched the vlog when me and my mom were gisting about a certain lady that employed me, and till tomorrow she's still owing me the salary she was supposed to pay me for the month before the month she sacked me. Do you understand? So and it was something like, it was a situation like this too, you know, that got me there, and I know I'm not doing it again. I'm just not doing it again. So now that I have a free Tuesday, I'm trying to debate on what to do. I was supposed to go Christmas shopping for my family tomorrow and then just rest at home, pack on Thursday so that Friday morning I head out. So now that I am, you know, not doing much today, so I may go back to the cafe I was yesterday. This is my feet, nothing overly, you know, special, just these blue jeans and black t-shirt, one of the necklaces I got from Eco. It's a whole set, right? And the earrings. I'm not playing with SPF, okay? We're just not. We don't do that over here. Always use your SPF, guys. Me, I don't play with it though. I don't know about you, but I don't play with my SPF.
This fog is way too thick, I can't even see there. Cuddle up, put it in the air. Christmas trees, we don't need. Let's just bake and roll these leaves. Let me take your stress away. It's the Hot Box holiday. Hot Box holiday. Hot Box holiday. Hot Box holiday. 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 Fire's burning, the lights are dim. Christmas starts at 12 a.m.
Hi. Hi to my own camera. Wow. Hi. Hi guys. So I have somebody behind the camera.
Yes.
He has a YouTube channel too. DLEX Effects. I'm tired. But I have to go.
Hi guys. Destiny here from the Lex Effect, and I met someone really amazing today. So you guys run up to our YouTube channel, subscribe and check it out.
They're watching you on my YouTube channel.
Well, they might be watching you on mine also. They might be watching you on mine also.
You on my channel.
You know them. Oh,
Just remind them to subscribe.
okay, this is, don't forget to subscribe. Awesome content
Let's do that again. Give me the camera.
This is Francis. Francis, say hi.
Hi, how are you? Let me take that again, please.
No, we're keeping it organic.
This is not organic thing now. Hello everyone, subscribe to our channel. She make very good content on lifestyle and and travel. Am I right?
Amen.
And travel in Jesus' name. Yeah, so let me make a recording of you guys. Let me record you guys. Are you shying from camera? No man, I like how you say.
I like the handle.
You like the
firm control of the handle. Yeah, the tripod.
boss.
Boss. Chilling. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them to subscribe to this channel.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate it too.
Actually.
Before the eve comes to an end, you know how we're bringing Christmas in. We don't need no lights, cause it's already lit. We don't need those presents, I wrapped up as gifts. This fog is way too thick, I can't even see you there. Cuddle up, put it in the air. Christmas trees, we don't need. Let's just bake and roll these leaves. Let me take your stress away. It's the FAQS holiday. FAQS holiday. FAQS holiday. FAQS holiday. Holiday. Christmas trees, we don't need.
Do something, you plan on how you will do something. One small thing that has no value will come and spoil everything. I don't know what you have done. I don't know why all these things are happening to us. Now, madam refused to pay us our salary. Okay, so what do you need now? Like, what do you need now? Like a new job?
Let me take your stress away. Take your stress away. FAQS holiday. FAQS holiday. FAQS.
This is it. Is it? Oh, baby girl. Sexier, hotter. It's not play.
Holiday, holiday, holiday.
In December, we give our gifts, wishing well to our world. Peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons? And why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all.
Hi guys. So let's play catch up. I know my hair is a mess, guys. Please let's just overlook that. But wow, so much has happened in like the past 24. Wow, I was gonna say hours. I don't know, man. But so much has happened in the past 24 hours. Okay, so I know the last major thing that I showed you guys was the day before yesterday, where I went to the workstation. So yesterday was Wednesday, and I went out to see a movie with my friends. I'm a psalmist. Then like later in the evening, I went for my girls get together house party for her birthday. Talk by Oluwani, happy birthday again, baby. 29 looks good on you. Okay, you look so fucking good. But after Tokwe's birthday came today, because like I was at Tokwe's birthday like overnight, right? Today I just slept in. Okay, I slept in because yesterday night's get together was so chill. I'm sure I must have showed you guys, you know, little clips. It was so much fun. I've not had like a proper house party where you like, you know, everybody. Okay, maybe not everybody, but like there are people, right? And you guys are just having good fun. And of course I made new friends. G-get. So today I just slept in and then I decided to head out to the Palms to Christmas shop for my family or gift shop for my family. I don't know whether to actually really call it gift shopping, because you know I just had to buy some things for them because I have not seen my family in a long time, and Christmas is like an opportunity to just still, because let me not lie, right? Christmas is not Christmas for me as an adult because I'm not even getting anything from anybody, you know, but it's Christmas for them because they're kids, and I don't want to spoil it for them because, oh, your big sister doesn't work 9 to 5 anymore. I'm not going to say because of that I won't buy them something. So I basically used my money actually to go Christmas shopping for them, and I'm just trusting God for January because have you guys seen what calendar I say for January? Have you guys seen it? My destiny is in God's hand in that January. Like, no jokes, guys. Now God and I did. Okay, so I'm back home now, but I'm actually heading back out. I'm going to the train station. I'm going to Ibadan tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday 24. So I decided to just pack up this night and then head to my friend's place on the mainland, so that from there I would go to the train station. One, because I don't want to be late to the train station. Two, because guys, have you seen what Uber and Bolt have been doing with their prices? It's demonic. Okay, it's just plain demonic, ununderstandable. All the Englishes I can use to explain could make sense. Period. Okay?
There are times I can remember with family and friends. The light of Christmas radiates, lights up my memories, the magic of love. We made time, but why?